If you manage a website on GoDaddy, backing it up is one of the smartest things you can do to protect your content, design, and hard work. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to back up your website in GoDaddy step by step, so you can save a copy of your site before making major changes or just keep an extra layer of protection for peace of mind. This is a simple process, but it's an important one, especially if you're updating your website regularly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, log into your GoDaddy product page. This is where you manage all of the websites and services connected to your account. Once you're inside your account, scroll down until you find the Websites Plus Marketing section. This is the area where GoDaddy stores your website builder tools and site settings. Next, click Manage next to the website you want to back up. Make sure you choose the correct site if you have more than one website in your account. After that, you'll need to open the website builder itself. Click Edit Website or Edit Site to launch the builder. This will take you into the main editing interface where you can make changes to your pages, content, and design. Once the editor loads, look at the top navigation panel and click Settings. This is where GoDaddy keeps the tools for managing your website configuration and backup options. After opening settings, select Site History from the menu. Site History is the section that lets you view older versions of your website and create backup points. This is very useful if you ever need to roll back after making a mistake or if a design update doesn't work the way you expected. Now click Create Backup. GoDaddy will save a backup of your current website state so you can restore it later if needed. It's always a good idea to create a backup before making big changes, updating plugins, changing text, or redesigning your pages. That way, if anything goes wrong, you have a safe version to return to. And that's it. You've now backed up your website in GoDaddy. It only takes a few clicks, but it can save you a lot of time and stress later. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.